Ryobi One Plus Airstrike brad and finish nailers are easy to use and start with just the click of a battery, nose to the work surface, and squeeze of the trigger. Load nails by pulling back the magazine latch, dropping in a strip, and sliding it shut. Adjust how deep your nails drive by turning the depth adjustment dial. Make sure the tip of your nailer is in contact with your material. Give a slight push and then pull the trigger. The standard brushed models have one drive mode, while the brushless models can switch to contact actuation mode, which allows you to drive nails much faster. If you ever get a jam, just flip open the front latch, remove the jammed nail, and snap it shut to keep working. Lastly, insert your battery to get started. Ryobi One Plus Airstrike brad and finish nailers, only at the Home Depot.